What's up, YouTube? My name is Beekay B. Today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how I mix my vocal chain. So the song I'm gonna be using is the song that I put out already. You can actually check it. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, so that you get more videos like this in the future, right? So without taking more time, let's get right into the video, right? So what I have here is, as I already said, this song is called Gave My Heart. So I'm just gonna quickly play the vocal without the mixer, right? And play with the mixer for you to listen on how it switched from what it was to what it is right now. Okay, let's just do it. I gave my heart to somebody that I never knew if I should ever fall for her. But now there's something I did, something that I know she'll never like. So now let's get to the vocal with the mixer present. Just listen to the difference. I gave my heart to somebody that I never knew if I should ever fall for her. But now there's something I did, something that I know she'll never like. I met somebody else and gave my heart. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, basically what I did was, I already put the Autotune there, so let me just do this, mute this, unmute this, and then let's do it. So with the Autotune, I like to put my return speed at 5, because I actually like to hear that wetness in my vocal, right? And then the input type, I just like to use alto or tenor. The key is D and the scale is major for me. And also this depends on how your voice or your vocal is, right? So that's what I did. And then the second thing that I put was the Parametric EQ2. With the Parametric EQ2, the first one, I just like to put the vocal presence, I just put the vocal presence in, and then if I like, I can just increase the treble, so that I actually would like to hear the clearness or the clarity in my vocal. Let me just show you how it sounds with that just added on. I gave my heart to somebody that I never knew if I should. You see, so it's like it kind of like adds that clarity on the vocal. And then the third thing that I put was the Parametric EQ2. I like to use the Parametric EQ2 because it does the things that are supposed to happen, if you know what I'm talking about. So with the lows, I just remove the lows. Some people even take it to 115, but I just like to keep my lows to like 60, 65, 67, 66, because I know my vocal is not that bold, if I can say. It's not that thick. It doesn't have a lot of bass in it. Some people who has like a bass, so they just like to take the lows, remove more of the lows. So I just like to keep mine there. It depends on how your voice is. And then I just took all these frequencies, the middle one in between the bass and the mid. I just listen to the vocal and just take the frequency out. Listen to the vocal, listen to the to the frequency that I don't like, and then just take it off. So how I do it, I'm just gonna make an example with this one. I usually take it out and listen to the vocal. Like, I gave my heart to somebody that I never knew, and then I just take that frequency that I don't like. I gave my heart to somebody that I never knew. See, and keep those frequencies out. take them out, you know. And yeah, it's kind of like that with the parametric EQ too. And then I move to the Maximus. With the Maximus, simple. Here we're trying to like decrease the harshness, the S. You know, when you sing, there are those words, when you pronounce them, it's like they keep the harshness of the S. You want to take that out. So you just use the de-esser. It can be a narrow band or the split band. So I like to keep it at the narrow band, you know. So you can go ahead, use the second one. Which one was it? Which is the split band. Just use the one that works for you. But let's listen. I gave my heart to some. You see, yeah, it's kind of like smooth now. And then I added the fruity limiter. What I'm doing with the fruity limiter is I wanna, you know, when you record, my microphone is not on. Or let me say my house. Is it even my house? Yeah. My room is not so made to the point that it takes away all the background noise, you know. There's my roommates here on the other side, he's making noise, and then there's outside noise, so you can't actually control those unless you have everything that you actually can take the sound off, you know. So I just go to the noise gate and just keep it there. But with the noise gate, it's gonna give you the maximum noise remover. Like the noise threshold is gonna be there up there on 0.03. So you just wanna listen to your vocal and then decrease it. You know, I like to keep mine at 0.01. But also it depends on how much noise are you taking out. No? Yeah. And then another thing that I add is the Soundgoodizer. Soundgoodizer is like it makes your vocal be like thick and more listenable, you know. Let me just listen to this. Without the Soundgoodizer, I gave my heart to somebody there. You see, it's like it thin. The vocal is thin. But if we add the Soundgoodizer, I gave my heart to somebody there. That's what I'm talking about. You can hear for yourself. It's like it adds the thickness and also like the smooth harshness, clarity on your vocal. It's like it gives life to your vocal. So I can never miss that. I can never leave that. So yeah. The next thing is for the compressor. What do I do with the fruity compressor? I just first go to the threshold, you know. I like to like take it up a bit. You know, some people just like to keep it down there, but I like to keep it up, listen to the vocal, and then I keep mine at 8.4, negative 8.4, and then the ratio is 3.2.1 or 3.2:1. Yeah. That's the ratio. And then the attack, I keep it at 10.8, release 117, and then I like to keep the type to soft because I'm singing. You know, if I was rapping maybe or trapping, I was gonna keep it at hard or medium. I was gonna keep it there if I was rapping, or even there, but I'm singing, so I need the softness. And then, yeah, let's listen. I gave my heart to somebody that It's kind of like that. The next thing that I add is soft clipper. With the soft clipper, it's like I'm adding the softness in the vocal also, as he says himself. But I don't touch anything. With the soft clipper, I don't touch anything. I just keep it there. Threshold at negative 4.4. And the post at 80%, you know. I just like to keep it normal. And then I go to the Fruity Reverb 2. Ne? With the Fruity Reverb 2, the first one that I add, I like to keep the high cut at level 6. low cut, I'll keep it at 100. Then I decrease the size of the room size to 17, and then the diffusion I keep it to 100. Right. And then I keep the bass multiplier at 90% because it's usually 100, right? So just keep it at 90%, and then I increase the wet level to 75%, and then the whole mixer I just decrease it to 20%, and then just listen without a reverb. I gave my heart to somebody that I never. Then with the reverb. I gave my heart to somebody that I never knew. It's like it gives the vocal that naturality that you need. It makes it sound more professional, which is what you want to do when you are actually mixing your vocal chain. And then I add the Fruity Reverb too, a second one. No? With this one, I like to keep the bass multiplier back or down to 70%. And then I increase the room size to 60. Diffusion take it down to 65. And then the high cut, I keep it to down to 2.8. And then the low cut, I take it up to 400, right? I don't do much about the speed. It doesn't make much of a difference to me. So, yeah, that's just about it. And then also I take the second reverb down to 20%, right? So let's just listen to the whole thing. I gave my heart to somebody that I never knew if I should ever fall for her, but now there's something I did. You see, it gives like it gives life to the whole vocal and stuff. And then with the beat again, you saw everything that I did, right? That's my mixer right there. Autotune, 2 Parametric EQ, Maximus, 3 limiter, Soundgoodizer, Compressor, Soft Clipper, Reverb, two of them. Yeah, then that's what I got. I gave my heart to somebody that I never knew if I should ever fall for her, but now there's something I did, something that I know she'll never like. I met somebody else and gave my heart. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, sir, that's what I'm talking about. If you have a problem or something that you want to ask me, you can ask in the comment below. And if you have an idea of what I should actually make a tutorial on, just put it down in the comment below also, and then I'm gonna make a tutorial about it. Right, peace guys. Make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, peace.